everyone, I'm back with this brand new video for the year. Ever since the year began, I've never captured any content, so during this lockdown I'm going to unbox this brand new phone from Jumia, Uganda's #1 online mall. So I'm going to begin unboxing right away. So there is a phone with the details. Let's see what's in the box. This is going to be a very brief unboxing. Let me cut here. And guess what we have inside our box? So this is their packaging. So the phone is right here. I'm going to just cut this. I don't see they used sellotape. So let me put this away. And this is the phone right here. These are the details. Tecno Mobile. It's a slate gray colored device. Tecno Pop4 Air. And this is the sticker for Jumia stock keeping unit. Let me just cut somewhere, just here. I don't want to cause any damage because I may request a return before the days get done. So everything has to be kept carefully. So we have some specifications here. Pop4 Air operating system, Android 10 Go edition, display 6.52 inch with a notch, processor 1.3 GHz, quad core processor, network, it works with almost all networks, but not 4G. So we have the dimensions, memory, we have memory 16 GB ROM plus 1 GB RAM. So the specifications for the cameras, sensors, and so on. So caution, do not accept if seal is broken. So it's not broken. Let me just trim it. It seems it's too tough. Let me get another way of opening this box. So this is their packaging, the Tecno guys. This is the device right here. It feels too heavy. It has a huge battery. So this is the device. Let me put that aside. Let me check what's under the box. So we have a cover for the phone. We also have warranty card. So let me separate these properly. So we have the phone warranty card. We have the adapter, Tecno adapter. This is a new design from Tecno. So it looks nice. So the output is 1 ampere. We have a charging cable, and also we've got some headsets from Tecno. They're in here. Alright, So that's all with this unboxing. I'm going to set it up later. This is the phone, very tall and big. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more cool content and tech stuff. As always, my name is Mark at Festus Tech HD. So the name of the channel is Festus Tech HD. Right here in Uganda, Kampala. This is one of the youngest tech channels and it is growing. So please, I beg you to subscribe. See you in the next video. As always, bye bye.